Hello, I'm Dr. Rulan Xu, co-founder and co-author of TAO Science with Dr. and Master Zhigang Xia. I am so excited to invite you to join me on an exciting workshop, TAO Science, Reconnection Pathway to Self-Love, on May 23rd and 24th, hosted by Master Xia TAO Center in Belgium. In this workshop, we are going to learn about the science, TAO science of art, of love. And you're going to learn what is a scientific definition of love. And you're going to learn about the source love. And also, no, this is not correct. I'll redo it, sorry. You can.
It was.
Hello, I'm Dr. Rulan Xu, co-founder and co-author of TAO Science with Dr. and Master Zhigang Xia. I am so excited to invite you to join me on the exciting workshop, TAO Science, Reconnection and Pathway to Self-Love. In this workshop, I'm going to share with you what is the science about self-love. So you're going to learn why the connection and the source is one of the most important elements for self-love. You are also going to experience amazing, powerful TAO art to help you to release the blockages so that you can go deeper into experiencing self-love and connecting with yourself and with the source. You are going to, this is going to be a very experiential, and you are going to go deeper and into learning some amazing, powerful techniques about how to go deeper into connecting with yourself, deepening your awarenesses, and how to go deeper connecting with the source and experiencing more self-love and more love. So I'm looking forward to see you in this workshop.